morning, good afternoon, or good evening, folks. No matter what time it is where you are, one thing is universal: the need to wake up on time. And what's a better way to ensure that than using the alarm on your trusty Android phone? Today, I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to set an alarm on your Android device. So let's not let another minute tick by and dive right into it. Step 1: unlock your Android phone and find the clock app. It usually looks like a clock or alarm clock icon. Tap to open it. Once you're in the clock app, look for the alarm tab at the bottom or top of the screen. Now, to set a new alarm, look for a plus symbol, usually found at the bottom left corner of the screen or the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to add a new alarm. Now you'll see options to set the time for your alarm. You can either scroll through the hours or minutes or tap on the numbers to type in the time manually. Don't forget to choose AM or PM correctly. After setting the time, you can customize your alarm by giving it a name, choosing the alarm sound, vibration, and even setting it to repeat on days if it's for something regular like waking up for work or school. Step 6: once you're happy with the settings, look for the save button. And just like that, you're all set to conquer your day starting right on time. Remember, you can always go back and edit your alarms by tapping on them or deleting them. I hope this tutorial helped you get a little more out of your Android phone.